So friends, I have bought this product from Shopclues and the price of my product is $650 and it's Bose headphone. So no more wasting the time, let's start the video and let's unbox the product. Okay, so see what's the box contain and all. Okay, actually it's a good product, but I'm not used till now. So after using, I will give you the review of the product and I'll give the link on the description box so you can buy from anywhere. So this is something, wraps and all. See the box contain, there's a side, this documents, I think I not needed this, and finally it's a boat. I don't know the focus is going on or not, and it's a boat, boat. And friends, I'm waiting for this product from few days and I'm very excited about this, So actually it's not a proper unboxing and I don't know how to unbox this product. Yeah, I got that. I'm very happy about. Oh my god, there's so many things. There's a board. Yeah, so it's a headphone, and with that headphone, that kind of two straps and one cord, some of the earpods given to how many? It's a many. Let's check how many pair. Let's check, and we will listen the sound quality, because friend I'm not having only a one mobile phone, so I cannot show you the sound quality, but I can show the pair. This is a black pair. We are having one pair here, two pair, three pair, and four, means ash color, 5, 6. So total we are having 6 pair of that one, what that called, earpods. So 3 pair of black, dark black, and 3 pair of sky blue, but so that's a box contain and all. I'm happy about this product, so just check the sound and we'll come back again. So for that